Now I call upon Mr. Akil Malik to move the amendment.
Substitution of Section 4 Act of 1973. In the said Act, for Section 4, the following shall be substituted, namely, Board. The general direction and the administration of the corporation shall vest in a board consisting of a person to be appointed by the federal government from amongst of the independent members, chairman, secretary of the division concerned, or in his absence, his nominee not below the rank of an officer in BPS 20 or equivalent member, additional foreign secretary, or in the absence, his nominee not below the rank of an officer in BPS 20 or equivalent member, additional secretary finance, or in his absence, his nominee not below the rank of an officer in BPS 20 or equivalent member, Director General Inter-Services Public Relations ISPR, or in his absence, his nominee not below the rank of an officer in BPS 20 or equivalent member, Managing Director, Pakistan Television Corporation, or in his absence, his nominee not below the rank of an officer in BPS 20 or equivalent member, Director General member cum secretary, a representative of the Interior Division not below the rank of an officer in BPS 20 or equivalent member, 9 eminent independent members to be appointed by the federal government, including not less than 1 from each province, Islamabad Capital Territory, Gilgit-Baltistan and Azad and Jammu and Kashmir members. The members other than ex officio members shall hold office for a term of 3 years and shall be eligible for reappointment, but in no case for more than 2 consecutive terms, and they may be by writing in their hand addressed to the federal government by giving a notice of not less than a month, resign their offices, provided that the resignation shall not take effect until it has been accepted by the federal government. In particular, and without prejudice to the generality of the provisions of subsection, the board shall have full powers with regards to the preparation of the annual revenue budget of the corporation and approval of the budget and expenditure not included in its annual budget for capital and development expenditure, the formulation and implementation of all programs and policies, and the making of plans for infrastructural and technological development within the country and for promotion of the corporation's interests abroad.